So I have the Solana blockchain streaming in using Rust here, and my objective is to find all of the new launched tokens as quickly as possible. I'm a Python guy myself, but Python is not fast enough to handle all of this data. There are so many transactions per second on Rust or on Solana that Rust is the one that's for me at least. I mean, you can probably use other languages. I don't know. At the end of the day, I'm trying to see all of the new token launches because I have this Solana sniper bot here and it's built in Python, and all of the guild whales out there make fun of me because Python is too slow to do an actual sniper. And it is what it is. I tested this for 6 months. That's $764. It started at 200. It went up to 2,000. It went back down to 150. It's extremely volatile, but I feel like I have enough testing here to make it worth it for me to use a little bit of Rust to make this better. I've already updated the sniper today by adding a custom RPC. I know it's really kind of noob, but you know, whatever. It took a while. It was super easy to implement. I have a video on it somewhere on my YouTube channel. But today, again, we're having all of the transactions sent in by Rust, and now I'm gonna look for the transactions that have some sort of like program or creation event, because those will be the tokens that, or those are the transactions where somebody's creating a token. So let's go over to Claude because GPT is no longer my friend. I'm gonna paste that in and paste this in, copy, this is my code. Above is my code, and attached is a sample of the WebSocket output. Please look for something that has to do with launching of a new token on Solana, or have it list or if needed, or if you can't, or if you can't find it, have it print out the types of types of transactions it's showing. My goal is to scan the Solana blockchain to get all of the new token launches using the code above. Please output the full code. Okay, let me let her do her work while I do my work. I got a little bit of maintenance here to do with my server, so let me just do that. And if you have any questions, I'm here for you, dude. Every single day I go live and I show all of my code because nobody else is going to show this stuff ever. I can pretty much guarantee that nobody's going to share this stuff. So, you know, I thought I'd do things backwards. I've already kind of set myself up with a good life. And I'm just automating my trade in here. And I'm showing everything along the way. Everything. Every day. Terminal. What's going on, buddy? Can't I pull up a terminal anymore on my server? Well, server down bad. Whatever. It's not the point. Let's go ahead and read some of this stuff here. And now that we have a chokehold on this, I want to learn more. So we have it all streaming. We have all, this is every single transaction on the Solana blockchain. But there's sends, there's buys, there's sells, there's, I don't know what else, but, oh, token creations. And that's what we're looking for. I mean, that's what I'm looking for right now, but you're going to be able to see everything along the way. Based on the provided WebSocket output and your goal of scanning the Solana blockchain for new token launches, I've analyzed the data and made some modifications to your code. The sample output doesn't explicitly show token creation events, but we can adjust the code to look for specific patterns that might indicate new token launches. Let's go ahead and read through here. This modified code does the following. It still connects the WebSocket and subscribes to the logs mentioning the token program ID. The check for token events function now looks for specific instructions that might indicate token creation or initialization. These are potential indicators of new token launches, although they may also be used in other contexts. A new function called get transaction types has been added to extract and print all types of instructions being executed. This will help you understand what kinds of transactions are being captured by your subscription. Both the potential token events and transaction types are printed for each message received. Please note that identifying new token launches with 100% accuracy can be challenging, as the process of creating a new token involves multiple steps and can vary. This code provides a starting point for identifying potential token creation events, but you may need to refine it further based on specific patterns you observe in the Solana blockchain data. All right, so we're gonna do that. Whatever she just said, we're gonna do, dude. So you can see it's much longer now. All right, so it's building. Sent message. Okay, now let's just start rolling here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on, show me something, baby. Come on, I don't see anything. Is it broken? Hey, guys, is it broken? Let me ask the chat. Are you subscribed to this? I don't know. Jane's been promoting QuickNode like she works there. You can just apply filters to what you are listening to on the WebSocket and Python should be able to handle it fine. Nah, I don't agree. I don't agree that's the right way to go. I don't agree it's the right way to go. Because I think at some point, I'm going to need Python, Rust. 30% commission. I knew she was getting paid. Oh my goodness. Are you subscribed? All right, it's not sending anything back. But maybe it's just waiting for a token creation. I don't know. I don't know, dude. Come on. Let me see something. Sent subscription message. I'm going to say it's not sending anything back. Should I be worried? Also, a friend said this. Yo, don't be capping, Trent. We already talked about throwing trash in the trash can. Don't throw trash in the trash can because everything you say I take to heart. So we'll check, see what she says about this. Thank you for the update and your friend's question. Let's address these concerns. Not receiving any data. If you're not receiving any data, it could be due to a few reasons. The WebSocket connection might not be established correctly. The subscription might not be set up properly. There might not be any relevant transactions happening at the moment. Your friend is correct to point out the subscription scope. He didn't send the trash. He is the man. I appreciate you, FS Trent. Currently, you're only subscribed to events monitoring the token program ID. This may be too narrow for capturing all token-related activities. Let's modify the code. All right, let's see if I can figure this out. So it's going down to this place where it says okay. This one? Error message received. I'm dyslexic, sorry. I see things backwards sometimes. Said the exact opposite of what I thought it said. Oh, so that's how you do the line break, huh? FS Trent for the win. Again. Coming through. Sent subscription message. All right, now let's just wait. Let's just wait. It seems like they're all kind of commodities at this point. Would you say quick node Trent? Like they're all the same, kind of? Just depends on like pricing or whatever. I don't know. Yo, what up, Derek? Jane says hi. FS Trent says hi too. And Derek says hi to Jane and FS Trent. She's gonna get ahead of it. She's gonna get ahead of it. So, only tried them in Helios, Jane said. They're much different in speed. All right, so okay, we killed this because now nothing's happening. But hi Derek. Jane says again 777. Now nothing's happening, but you saw it at the start. I'm not capping. I'm not standing up here capping. This is my Monday morning, bro, or Wednesday. Come on, show me something. I just shouted you guys out, Claude. Come on, work with me now. Show me something. There's got to be something coming through here. There's got to be a new launch. Let's see it. Let's see it, dude. Come on, baby. Let me see it. Let me see it. 6 and 8. 6 and 8, baby. The hard ways. The hard ways. Come on, baby. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. All right. All right. 7 out. 7 out. 7 out. Yo, what up, Fortune? What up, dude? Good to have you here. I just crapped out. FS Trent, on the subject of all of these RPCs being kind of commodities, at least my opinion, he says they have minor variations, but the pricing and free tokens vary a lot. I made free accounts everywhere and then auto rotated through them. Sometimes the listener returns info varies. Jeez, you are a smart cat. You are a smart cat. Gambler Moondev is up this morning. Gambler Moondev is here. We all gamblers. Craps, clickety clack. I'm chilling, bro. Fortune says, nice stream. Thanks for having me, bro. Thanks for having me in your bedroom or wherever you're watching me from. Maybe the bathroom. I don't know. Python would have got the subscription ID by now. Yo, Jane, Python is trash. We're not Python people anymore. We're Rust Claude people. When you went to sleep, we were Python OpenAI people, but now we're Rust Claude people. All right? Come on. I got to keep you on your toes because you be saying aluminum really weird. So I got to keep you on your toes. All right? We got nothing. We've got nothing here. We went from something to nothing. Nothing's happening, dog. Let's read this. Key changes, expanded the subscription. 111 system program, a associated token. The token program, is that it actually? Let's go ahead and Google it. Token program, okay. Less than a minute ago. Why don't we get these, dog? Oh, these are swaps. Golang is easier than Rust, and it's pretty dang fast too, bro. It's not going to be fast for me to learn that stuff, though. So I've already learned Rust, and I will not go to Golang. I'm sorry. Not now. Maybe later, though. I appreciate your input. I value your input deeply because you had some really good thoughts this morning. So thank you. But Golang, probably my next language. The Enlightened Detective says, I'm new to your channel. I like your way of learning and documenting. How can I use your channel to the fullest. Go to the, it depends on where you're at. If you're brand new, go to the first video ever, and then you can learn with me. Fortune said, is this an automated trading code or scanning the Solana blockchain for new tokens? This here is my sniper down in the bottom. That's automated. This is looking for new tokens that we're working on right now. This will capture a wider range. Change the commitment to confirmed instead of finalized to get faster responses. Remove some of the verbose. If you're still not ensure your anchor endpoint is correct. Anchor endpoint works. Anchor endpoint is working, but I've waited how many minutes? 5 minutes? Waited 5 minutes and there is no action. I'm getting nervous. Print something so we know it's working. And try some new stuff, B. I can send back the prints. The goal is to find the new token launches through Rust. Okay, here's my output here. Damn, this is so fun, dude. I can't believe this stuff. I really can't believe it. I can't believe we have this opportunity. Like, we did not have AI a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. I don't know. But you see what I'm saying? This is so crazy. I understand your concern. Let's modify the code to provide more frequent feedback and explore different approaches to capture new token launches. Here's an updated version. Okay. Send back the full code. Yo, how do I do this artifact thing? Appearance. Learn more. Dark. Okay, well. I said send back the full code, bro. Don't disobey your master. I am your master. I am your master. You know that. Guessing you went Rust again for a native language? I don't know what that means, Derek. But yes, I'm Rust because it's faster for looking through the blockchain. And the person I learned this from said that. So while Jane and Trent say I could use Python, I'm not taking their advice on this one because they haven't done it. So they haven't done it yet. They haven't done what I'm trying to do yet. So it's no shade to them. I'm trying to do something crazy here, and this leads to MEV, and you're not going to be able to compete in MEV with Python. So the guy that taught me how to scan, or he didn't teach me, or else I would know how to do it. I don't know how to do it yet. But the guy who inspired me told me that there's no chance with Python. He likes Python too. He's a Python guy. But you know, maybe Jane and FS Trent are right. Maybe they're not. I don't really care. But I like this journey of pushing myself into a new language. I need a faster language. in my tool set. And, you know, I'm still a noob. I think Jane and FS Trent, they probably know other languages because they've been here for a long time. But I'm still I really just know Python. I mean, sure, I know a couple other things, like a little bit, but I feel like the only one I can say that I know is Python. So unlabeled, continue, full code, bro. Don't play with me. I just gave you a shout out. Send full code back. Serum for order book. Saber for stablecoins. Mango markets for derivatives. Show your subscription JSON. Good ideas, Trent. I'm a Claude guy now. What are the major differences? It's just better. No, it fixed my Rust code, and yeah. I'm on premium for sure. It looks like FS Trent is dropping dimes today. Dropping dizzy dimes. You will need to get a list of program IDs. Keep dropping these dimes, B. My token scanner working off blockchain and Python on QuickNode. All right, old head. Stay on Python. Stay on Python. Going for the few millisecond advantage, LOL. I am not attempting to get you to change from Rust, just trying to figure out which program IDs. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. I know English, bad English slang. You learn this in Rust, then we can follow you. Yes. I'll learn it. I'll learn it for you guys, and yeah, it's all good. I'll do the hard work. I'll do the hard work. I'm all with that. Good morning, FS Trent. Derek says, Jane, do you have the program IDs he needs? Update the code to add in these other program IDs too. Okay. Yeah, Jane, if you have the code working, then what are the IDs? I guess you sent me the code so I can look at it. But what you think about that? How about a little bit of that? Pass it over here to your guy. Pass it to your guy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy that here. Anybody know how to set up the artifacts or whatever that is? I don't know what it is, but it's compile, baby. Here we go. Still listening. Okay, perfect. It's listening. Still listening. Time elapsed. Is Rust better than Python? Better? I don't think so. I think it's faster. Python is way easier to code in. So I like Python better. But I'm new to Rust. I'm new here. I got the code in my DMs. Okay, I'm gonna go look at it. And you said I could show this on the internet, right? I won't show our message. But you said I could show this on the internet, right? Gosh darn it. I said I wasn't going to show our DMs, but it's okay. There's nothing there. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, at least. I don't see any program IDs in here. API. Oh, it's using Deck Screener. Okay. Yeah, but you're using Deck Screener. Shorty? So you're dependent on Deck Screener to come up with the new tokens. This works. I mean, I like it. Parallel. Gosh, how do I do this? Okay, so here you can see API URL bird eye. Okay, wallet address, perfect. New token addresses. So CSV file, with the CSV file, you're opening the new token addresses. You're getting the new token pairs from Deck Screener. So this is a different game. This is like me getting it from Bird Eye, in my opinion. I don't know. I don't know yet because I haven't used your code and I didn't write this code. But from a quick glance, this shows that you're not looking at the blockchain. Well, maybe this though. Solana client. No, it's Deck Screener B. This is Deck Screener. Here's Quick Node though. So let's see. Maybe I'm capping. Quick Node, initialize, value, param, signature, messages, initialize. I don't know. Ryan Jacobs, Jane said that she is using Quick Node, but they're all the same. They're all the same. It's only getting the Deck Screener at the token address. It's getting the socket. Look at it properly. Okay. I'll look at it better. I'll look at it better. Still listening. Okay, so let's look at chain.py here. And Asyncio SolScan found new coin on SolScan for message and message initialized params. I just don't see any contract IDs or yeah. Here, Trent, bro. I don't see it. Subscription ID, subscription successful ID. Oh, maybe here in the result. Yeah. Okay, how are you connecting to the API? Bird Eye API? Quick Node? So it gets the results, maybe. WebSocket. Dude, I'm not good enough at coding to just read code. Stop it. Stop it if you think I'm going to be able to read that. Keep the test. No, send back the full code. See, this is what I don't like about Claude. I have to yell at her sometimes. It's quite annoying. Maybe I can chat controls, font style. How do you add custom instructions? We got a huge window, so I can just say it at the start. Okay. Cargo.toml. Let's check it out. So let's see if this is running still. It should be running still, but time elapsed 350 seconds, milliseconds, or seconds. Okay, let's go ahead here. Stop fucking saying that, dog. You say that so many times. Let's go ahead here. How about you say something new? How about you get some new vocabulary? Vamos aquí. All right, so search initialize to, Jane says. Okay, let me go ahead and say that. Okay. Here's some Python code. Here is some Python code that supposedly works for scanning new tokens. Does it help you at all? Always send back full code. I still don't see anything in the output. Moon needs a slap in a nice way. I can't do this with Python because you can't compete in the future, shorty. It's the future. I build for the future. I build for the future, B. Let's get it. So what did we try here? I understand the Python code provides some insights, particularly in how subscribing to program IDs. Okay. Jane for the win. Let's give her the win. Let's give her roses. She needs them. Let's give it to her. Let's give it to her. Show it. Show your. Okay, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. We just got a little crate we need to bring in here. We just need a little crate. We just need a little crate. What's a crate? Well, you might not know if you're still on Python, bro. Jane doesn't want us to switch to Python or to Rust because she's a PHP girly. So it's kind of awkward. She's been trying to get up to speed with Python, and now I'm on Rust. I understand. I understand why she doesn't want us to do it. I get it. I understand it, but I'm sorry. We got to step on necks around here. I'm sorry. We got to do it to him. You catch up with me. I go to a new place. That's the game. Do you not see the game? The game is Moon shows everything, so he has to go harder and keep getting separation. That's it. That's the game we're playing here. Because I show everything that I know, and then I just go. Okay, well, if you can't keep up, you can't keep up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't need to know it all. Cargo run. Let's get it. Let's go. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Okay. That's okay, though. It might take a while. It might take a while. It might take a while. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't think this is working. I don't think this is working yet. So, okay, we're on a new challenge. I love this new challenge. New challenge. New challenge. New challenge. Who this? New token found. Jane is the queen of all queens. Another new token found. Jane for the win. Yo, Claude and Jane for the win today, I'd say. Nope, it's all Jane. I gave it to 2 people last time. Jane only. Jane only. I don't know what you did there with your voodoo python magic. I don't know what you did there, Jane. But I think you just stole the show. I'm sorry, you did. You did. So what is this? How do we interpret this? I don't know. Okay. So we found a new token. Found a new token, bro. We do it all. We do it all. We do it all. We do it in Rust. We do it in Python. We do it in PHP. We do it with Cloud. We do it with OpenAI. Dog, the world is ours. It's not yours anymore. It's ours. If you're not here, you're missing everything. I swear to God. If you're just watching these YouTube videos, you're missing everything. I can only post an hour of videos per day, dude. You're missing everything, dude. That's why I say show up. Let's do the work, dude. Come on, B. Let's go. Let's step on their necks. New token found. What do I do now? I don't know. Again, lost at sea. Lost at sea, but we'll figure it out, B. Lost at sea, but we will figure it out, B. Okay? Token address. birdeye.so. Dirty times that we're living in. CET. Okay. When did it launch? When did it launch? When did it launch? 4 minutes ago? Holy fuck! Yo, this is game over, B. This is game the fuck over. I'm sorry for yelling so much today. 4 minutes ago. Do you think this is going to help this sniper? You tell me. You tell me, dude. You tell me. Okay, let's go test if I can even buy it, though. Now I gotta change the radium. Yo, FS Trent, bro. Much love to you as well as Jane. You guys literally are the show now. You guys are everything. So this is crazy, B. I don't know how to buy on radium, though. So there we go. There we go. Another one. Another one. I don't know how to buy on radium with USDC. I think Trent found it out how to do it with Solana, but I don't want to do it that way. I have to do it USDC. I'm not doing that nightmare of taxes. Sorry. I want to keep my taxes nice and clean. So next things next, you can see, oh, maybe Jupiter will work though. Let's try it out first. Let's try it out before I write it off. Yo, let's just do this. Let's take this Addy, okay? Let's take that Addy here and say Visual Studio Code. Another token found. Woo, boy. Let's get this still listening out of here. Yo. Claude is the GOAT. Jane is the GOAT. Oh my God. Oh my God. Take this code out of here. Can I just take this code out of here? I don't know. Let's just remove it. Perfect. Life is perfect. Life is so perfect, dog. Okay, let's go over to the market maker thing. Let's go to the config here. I'm sorry, Indian call center. We're moving on. We're moving on from you to this new symbol here. Dude, this is all, the life is good, B. This is amazing. New symbol here. Brand new Toki toke. Okay, let me go ahead and get my easy.py here. Copy path. Copy path. Your boy is growing up in front of your eyes. This is amazing. Python. No. Conda. Activate. I don't know how I know this stuff now, dude. It's just repetition of anything. Repetition of anything will get you going, dude. Let's see if we can get it in there. I just want to buy it. Let's see. Swap transaction error occurred. Okay, so I think we got to use radium here, unfortunately. But I don't want to go to radium, Dad. I don't. Oh man, it's going to 0 though. Oh man. Oh man. Pump.fun. All right, so transactions don't work on this one, at least. I'll try it on another one. I'll wait for another one. I think I got one up here, actually. Here's one. Dog, this is huge, bro. This is mother freaking huge, dog. Pup, okay. Token mint address, okay. Let's go here, okay. Let's go here, okay. Okay, this one's not on pump at least. The pump. Let's check it out here. Pup. Lil pup. 4 minutes ago. Bro, this is game over. Game over. Game over. Game over. I'm sorry. It's game over now. It's game over now. I mean, I'm going to have to launch a new bot because this is like a different life over here. You know, 4 seconds and stuff. But fudge, man. Let's go ahead and run it and see if one to buy works. Because it's not all going to work, right? Because I think we need to get on Radium. That's my intuition. It's just like too new. Like, I think that Jupiter, yeah, see, error occurred. So I got to get to Radium now, essentially. Because let's double check to make sure everything's working okay. I'm just going to pick a token that I know works. I think this is, here, we can go back to Indian call center because we know that works. So let's just double check here and double check there's not like a different type of error. I found another token. Fudge, bro. It's over. 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 I'm telling you, dude, this was game changing. This is another game changing day. Every single day. Chunk buy working. Okay. So we need to get on Radium. That's the next play from here. Damn, dude. What a beautiful life we live, huh? Beautiful life here. Beautiful life here. We do got to get to Radium now. I know. That's why I'm stalling. That's why I'm stalling. I'm thinking about it. How do we get to Radium? I'm sure I can do it because I did this. I mean, we did this, honestly. Another new Toki Toke. Let's go ahead and try it out. SPL token? The fuck is this? This one looks different. I don't know if I'm ready for Radium, to be honest. It's just, it's a big project for me. I get a little nervous. I get a little nervous when I start new stuff, you know? It's just like so hard. It's so hard, dude. Stuff is so intimidating. So intimidating, bro. I'm scared right now. Again. Let's not do it yet. Let's not do it yet. Let's update this to make this work better. How? This works great. Please have it constantly write the new tokens found to a CSV. Don't have the still listening print. All right, let's go ahead and check what the chat's talking about here. Moon, I'll DM you later about Radium. Yo, what you got? You don't have USDC Radium. You capping. That'd be awesome though. I've got to go, but have fun, people. I'll be back. Jane says, Ryan, WebSockets API, no metas plugin. Check the code I give you, the screener function, get you the. Do we have to buy the bootcamp to get the Discord? I want to be Jane's friend. Nah, dude, it's at the bottom of the website. There's a website at the page, and you can get in the Discord. Hey, Jane, are you using add-ons with QuickNode? I will check the Radium USD later for you. I appreciate that. I'm getting within a minute of my test. 4 minutes is slow. I love it here, Moon. 777. Appreciate you coming through. Put in token addy to deck screener to get name, etc. Are you using any add-ons? This is why we use deck screener for name. Read the code. Okay, so this is amazing. We figured it out. Now we just got to figure out how to buy on Radium with USDC. Buy on Radium with USDC. FS Trent, bro. What's up? Did you ever figure out how to buy on Radium with USDC? I just texted him. I just texted FS Trent because he's the only person I know that knows how to buy on Radium. This is my boot camp where I show you how to do this stuff step by step, get up to speed with me. No, I'm not the best in the world, but the best in the world ain't showing it. So you're stuck with me, buddy. You're stuck with me. You're stuck with this mediocre developer. And I teach you everything I know, which is how to automate your trading, how to backtest, make sure it's profitable, your strategies that you're running. And then you get 100% money back guarantee. Plus, you get a bunch of code. So if you're looking for short, concise videos, they're all here. And if you can't afford it, go to the Discord. It's free at the bottom. And you can join the Clips channel, and you can get it for free, the bootcamp for free. Or do whatever you want to do with that cash money, B. But boy, oh boy, we are taking off now. So I think this next step here is to figure out Radium. Right? I mean, yeah, like that's the only thing. Well, I want to do this. I want to add this in there first. Copy. Wow, we're doing we're actually, this is amazing. You know, we learned Rust a few months back, but I didn't do anything with it. But now we are. That's so beautiful. It's so, so beautiful. My old Radium code only allowed direct pools. So if they had new tokens, you couldn't trade with USDC unless they had a new token USDC pool. So you have to use Sol. So it works with Sol? Works every time? Yeah, how's the transaction? I mean, not necessarily the transaction rate, but does it always work? You know, even if you have to send like 50 transactions, you know, I get that. That's fine. Yes, it was massively, it was more success than Jupiter. What do you think about taxes though? How are you going to handle that? I'm sure it's not as hard as I had 100% trade rate. No way. Dog, that's amazing. All right, well, I'm gonna start working on it. I'm gonna start working on it. Do you have any resources, like places I should read about how to set this up? Because if you had 100% rate, like I'll do it. I'm trying to think through how to handle the tax situation. Like, how do you report that? I own an S corp. What taxes? Yo, he says my genetic algo video blew his mind. I couldn't sleep. What tax software do you use? Coinly? New token. New token launch right here, buddy. Derek's Derek's saying some S corp Nevada corporate. I'm not worried about like paying the taxes. I'm worried about how to account correctly. Dog, if you shared that, bro, you're literally the GOAT. You're literally the GOAT. Wow, this is crazy. So this is another new token launch right here. But I have to rebuild the whole sniper, to be real with you. Because now, thank you, Derek. I appreciate you. Yuha says, are you even in benefit, dude? I don't know what that means. If you have any experience with Python, the course is going to be easy for you. The bootcamp is actually meant for people that have never coded in Python. So I teach how to code in Python the first couple days, and the people who don't know how to code will have to watch that first couple days a few times. But then for you, you could probably start on day 2 and just run it up. I mean, there's no like running it up there because it's not like I give you an algo to run, but I mean run it up as in like you'll be able to understand every concept much better if you know a little bit of Python. If you know no Python, it still works for you. I built this for like if I had a little brother or something, which I don't. So you're my son now. I'm just kidding. But yeah, if you have any Python experience, it's going to be easier. Obviously, it's going to be harder if you have no Python experience. But yeah, ask me any questions you have about that. Derek says he has a good account. I have a good account as well. I appreciate you sharing that though. You know, I do appreciate it. I just was trying to think for this stuff. I think what I'll do actually is I'll just note it, you know? So for the Solana sniper, I have my OG accounts that are all in USDC and easy to account for. Think about using a new account on Solana for the Radium stuff. Because I'll need to use WSOL, but Coinly will account for that. Okay. So I'm gonna put that in a couple places. Just on my notes here. I put on my taxes and accounting place. Okay, so can you run this on a plugged-in laptop? Python or Rust? The bootcamp's all in Python. It's on my wish list. I'm decent with PineScript. I heard it's dead. You probably heard it from me. I've been screaming PineScript is dead for a long time because it's just, there's no, like, if you already learned a language like PineScript, you might as well just learn Python because then your backtesting is real. PineScript's backtesting is not real. So I would learn Python ASAP if you know PineScript because Python's not much harder than PineScript. Like I learned Python first and then PineScript was super easy to learn. So how do you spell malleable? All right. Malleable. Thank you. Malleable. Sorry, I was just shooting a text off. I forgot that I'm live here. My bad. My bad. I'm a real human. I'll be shooting text. I don't know why everybody texting me right now. I literally don't know why I have somebody text, but I'm really. It's half of them are like Uber Eats. Rust or Python for trading bots? Python. Python for sure, for sure. Malleable. Yeah, good question, dog. My pleasure. This is crazy that essentially just ask here, bro. Don't tell me to DM you. I'm not doing it with nobody. Amazing. This is amazing. Another token found. Oh my god, lots of tokens found. Is it Adam? It doesn't seem to be adding them here though. So let's go back here and say let's go to, here's the output. Oh, remember this new thing I found? Hey, Trent, I don't know if you know about this, dog, but let me add some value to your life. Look at this. Oh, never mind. Never mind. But there's a button there. You can copy the output. But this is a WebSocket. Really cool stuff here. Yeah, it's crazy, huh? There's a button that you can copy the output of your code. It's that little red button.